Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Wrexham Volkswagen and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Polo TSI Match Edition. It's a 2017 model and it comes with 57,000 miles on the clock. It comes with the 1.2 litre petrol engine and the manual transmission. It's also finished in the Nimbus Grey metallic paintwork. Taking a look at some exterior features, you've got the fantastic 15-inch Stratford alloy wheels providing excellent styling on the car. You've also got the practical fold-in heated and electric door mirrors. And it does also come with the front and rear parking sensors to aid when manoeuvring. Into the boot, a great amount of space available here for a smaller vehicle. You've even got additional storage underneath the flooring and the option to fold down those back seats. Into the rear seating, you've got the lovely rail cloth upholstery with that unique design and the ISOFIX mounting points on the two outer seats. Making our way into the front of the door card, you'll find your 4 electric windows, central locking and controls for the door mirrors. Inside, lighting controls behind the steering wheel as well as your wipers and the lovely manual seats here in the front. On the steering wheel, you'll find the controls for the speed limiter as well as your volume. And you have also got some controls for the digital screen on the cockpit and the next and back buttons. Taking a look here, you can flick through the trip computer information to see anything you'd like to whilst driving, as well as other options such as your telephone and audio. Onto the main media system itself, under the radio you'll find AM, FM and DAB wavebands offering stations from all across the country. You've also got plenty of your own personal media inputs too, including the CD player, SD card reader, USB, Bluetooth audio and aux. You've also got the phone connectivity as well, so you can use that Bluetooth again, but for the hands-free call-in option to take or make calls on the go. You've also got the sound settings for the bass, mid and treble adjustment. It comes with the front and rear parking sensors of view as well, so you can see exactly where obstructions are. Moving down from here, you've got the vent controls just above the screen. Underneath that, you'll find the climate controls themselves, the temperature on the left and the fan speed in the centre. Underneath, you have a 12-volt USB and aux connection with 2 cup holders. It also comes with the 5-speed manual gear stick, and behind that, you have the manual handbrake with the leather wrapping. For more information, visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01978 503 523. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.